I've got Charlie Grier with me as well, who's running the Bristol Rising Stage at the Harbour Festival this year. Charlie, why is the Harbour Festival so important for getting stage time for young people and artists?
It's incredibly important. Our students have been practicing really hard this year, doing gigs at places like Strange Brew and the Fleece, places like that. For them all working towards coming to play in front of their friends and family here this weekend, hopefully in the sun.
There's a really big thing, isn't there, about this being a free festival as well. That helps bring people in, it keeps people's interest, where you might struggle sometimes with that with new and emerging artists. What would you say about that?
Very much so. It's a community festival. It's by the community, for the community. It's really important that these kind of things remain free. Not all people can afford a ticket for all of their family to go to a festival, but they might be able to afford the bus. If they can afford the bus in, then they can come and see us over the weekend, and that's amazing.